company, Alloyworks, contacted us and wanted us to try one of the radiators out. Seems to be pretty okay. And we'll put it in and give it a try. Alright, so we're gonna swap the radiator out in this thing today. This truck should be finished. Swap it out, take the fan off. We're gonna run electric fans. We'll see how it works. This is supposed to be a direct bolt-in piece, and what do you know? It doesn't directly bolt in. It's just too tall by a little bit. So we're headed down to the boneyard. We're gonna go try to find some radiator mounts that we can make work.
Oh my gosh!
Drop off. Just may do it right there. A little crusher wrench has saved me so much time. Not have to go find a tool. There we go. Let's go look at this other one and see what it has on it. Oh. Yeah, there's usually bees that come out of there, so you have to be cautious.
You scared the crap out of me.
That's actually the one that we're looking for.
Bees are still sleeping right now.
Yeah, but they're like you. When they get woke up, they come out pissed. And that one should do it. Okay, problem solved. Let's go. So after 6 weeks, Grandpa finally got his truck back. I had to go into the dealership and talk with him and tell him that it was really the wiring harness, that they needed to change it. They'd changed computers and body control modules, all kinds of crap.
And they were just going to send it home.
We told them we were coming to get it, and miraculously, when we told them that, they changed the wiring harness and it started right up. So, just like it's supposed to work. So after, holy jeez, Grandpa. It's not exactly what we needed either, but it's pretty much a lot closer than the other one was. We need to like bend that somehow. We're gonna bend this just a skosh. I'm pretty much okay with that. Okay, we're about ready to head out for a load of wood. Got saws all loaded up. We're gonna go give this thing its first test. We got this new aluminum radiator put in. We'll see if it'll stay cool. Go see if the old derby motor will pull us a load of wood. We're off to give us a load of wood. See if the old wood truck's gonna overheat or have any problems. This is pretty much the first trip since I put the motor and radiator and everything in it, so we'll go see if it'll work. We're about out of gas. Hopefully it'll make it to Todd's. So we're on the dirt road finally. Made it to the gas station, as you can see. Eating a little breakfast / lunch. And truck's doing good, not overheating, running good. We're good to go. Where it gets steep. There's a tree laying down over here. We're gonna go over and check it out. It looks like it's gonna be a pretty good one. One tank of gas should pretty much load the truck. Usually does. All right, I guess we'll see if it'll run today. load these without splitting them. Pretty heavy. Little pitch. Alright. Now for the fun part, loading it. Getting old. I hate these things. Pretty steep hill right here. 4 low first gear, we'll just creep off of it. Made her safe and sound. We'll kick the hubs out. We're gonna get out and check the load, make sure we're still packing. Looks like it's gonna ride. We'll go home. All right, just hitting the highway. We'll see how this whole motor runs now with the load on it.